Boom. What's going on? My name is Jeffrey, and I help turn brand owners with 10,000 subscribers or more into a 30K business. Now, this is a quick video, quick update of PGA. I want to go over my 3 biggest lessons that I've learned so far. Biggest lesson is, people have been continuing asking me about my first client. What exactly is an educational email course and relationships and outreach, right? So yes, I have landed my first client, and it is a skincare influencer with over 300 followers on TikTok and about 44 on Instagram. But really the biggest question that I have for people who reach out to me, and maybe you, is, have you ever started a business before, a digital business, a brick and mortar business? And if you have, then you understand the sheer amount of volume and effort it goes into starting a business, right? So if you're willing to put in the effort, the consistency, the discipline into something like this and not give up and continue improving your writing, your marketing, your sales, your outreach, just everything in general, then yes, I would highly recommend PGA and be reaching that person that you want to be. So anyway, I did land my first client. I think I mentioned what she's a skincare influencer, and it was through my warm outreach, right? And I was working with a CPA firm owner, a bookkeeper, and I realized that I don't like writing about CPA finance, because it's definitely not sexy. And then I want to go over what exactly is an educational email course, because if you do decide to go through the business and entrepreneurship route in your life, you have to figure out what is the ultimate end result for whatever product or service that you're selling. What are they getting in exchange, right? So really understanding, honing in on your offer, then, that's like, a huge lesson right there. It's like, really, what are they getting? And in this case, with an educational email course, they're getting optimized lead magnet that will double, triple their email opt-in rate, and that way they can sell their products or services, or brand deals or affiliate marketing in their email list, taking them away from the platform, the rented social audience, into their ecosystem through their website, through their email marketing, so they can continue to help people, because business is about helping people. And the third thing I wanted to go into is relationships and outreach. So now that you understand what your offer is and what and how, and next thing you want to figure out is, are you going to be doing warm outreach or cold outreach? I started off with cold outreach, and it's 100 times better to go through your warm outreach. So again, working with CPA firm owners now, the skincare influencer is warm outreach, and it's going so much smoother, a lot more collaboration, because they trust, they know, like, and trust me. They know the quality of my work, but when it comes to cold outreach, you have to understand that you have to do the same thing over and over and over again, So those are the 3 biggest lessons that I've had. And I do plan on creating how-to videos, how to create your own educational email course, any lessons I'm learning throughout this journey, any mistakes that I'm doing, any frameworks of how you can do this yourself and build your own newsletter and build a following that way, because newsletters is the next wave. People are doing it and making a lot, millions of dollars with newsletters. So it's very exciting. Writing is very exciting. Copywriting, sales, all that is very exciting for me. So I hope you find this beneficial. And if you do want to see any more videos or anything like that of how exactly you can do this and any of the mistakes or lessons that I've learned, let me know, and hope to see you in the next video. Much love.